Well, niece, I hope to see you one day, fitted with a husband.
Not till God make men of some other metal than earth.
I want you to get together.
It is certain I am loved of all ladies, for truly, I love none.
Dear happiness to women.
Put your hands together one time.
Oh, God, sir, I cannot endure my lady tongue.
There's a kind of merry war betwixt Signor Bénédict and her. They never meet, but there's a skirmish of wit between them.
If you three will minister assistance, I will bring Signor Bénédict and the Lady Beatrice into a mountain of affection.
By this day, she's a fair lady.
I want you to get together.
By this hand, I love thee.
I want you to get together.
For we are the only love gods.
Put your hands together one time. I want you to get together. I want you to get together.